Hello everyone, myself Vinayak Bandari. Now we will study about the second concept, that is half range series. There are two half range series will be there. One is sine half range series, one more is cosine half range series. Tell the definitions on half range Fourier series. Half range Fourier series, the definition is the Fourier expansion of the periodic function f of x of period 2L may contains both sine and cosine terms. Means in the interval 0 to 2L, it contains Fourier full range series, that is in terms of 0 to 2L, sine series also there, cosine series also there. Now, the expansion of periodic function f of x of period 2L may contains both sine and cosine terms. Many a times, it is required to obtain the Fourier expansion of the function in the interval 0 to L, which is regarded as half interval. Okay. Definition can be extended to the other half in such a manner that the function becomes even or odd function. Means even function means we need to consider as cosine half range series, odd function means we need to consider as sine half range series. This is a definition of the half range Fourier series. We can call this one as sine series. Let f of x equal to pi x is the given interval 0 to L. That f of x equal to phi x is a given interval 0 to L. Then we define f of minus x equal to minus phi of x in the interval minus L to 0. Means the given interval is f of x equal to phi of x. Now substituting x equal to minus x, so you will get minus phi of x in the interval minus L to 0. Hence, f of x becomes an odd function in the interval minus L to plus L. So, f of minus x equal to minus phi of x. So, f of x becomes an odd function in the interval minus L to plus L. Then the Fourier half range sine series is f of x equal to summation from n equal to 1 to infinity bn into sine n pi x by L, bn equal to 2 by L, 0 to L, f of x into sine n pi x by L dx. So, this is for arbitrary function. L equal to pi if I substitute, that is periodic function. The first thing we studied about the sine half range series or sine series. Now, the second concept, that is cosine series. Cosine half range series we are defining in the function of f of x equal to pi x in the interval 0 to L, f of x equal to minus phi of x in the interval minus L to 0. In order to make function even function, if you are making a even function, then f of x equal to a naught by 2 summation from n equal to 1 to infinity a n into cos n pi x by L, a naught equal to 2 by L, 0 to L, f of x dx, a n equal to 2 by L, 0 to L, f of x into cos n pi x by L dx. First we will solve in terms of sine series or sine half range series. Next we will move on to the cosine half range series or cosine series. Okay. Now I will solve some of the problems on sine series first. That is, the given question is obtain the sine half range series or sine series for the function f of x equal to x into pi minus x in the interval 0 to pi. Now see the given interval 0 to pi they are mentioned, but in the previous cases either they are mentioned in the form of minus pi to plus pi or 0 to 2 pi. So half range series, it lies between 0 to L or 0 to pi. So given interval is 0 to pi. First I write the sine half range series formula, then in that formula which are the values we require now, goes on calculating that values. Equal to summation from n equal to 1 to infinity bn into sine n pi x by L. Okay. This is for arbitrary function. Now the given question is 0 to pi, that is nothing but in terms of periodic function. So L equal to pi I substitute. If I substitute L equal to pi, this becomes summation from n equal to 1 to infinity bn into x. Okay, because sine n pi x by L will be there. Substituting L equal to pi, this becomes sine n pi x divided by pi cancels, sine nx remains. I will write the formula for B. Formula is Bn equal to 2 by pi 0 to pi f of x into sin nx dx. Okay, sin nx dx. This is our periodic function. N equal to 2 by pi 0 to pi x into pi minus x into sin nx dx. Okay, just I replaced the f of x value, that is x into pi minus x into sin nx. Before I will going for the integration, at that x will be there, no? At that x I will multiply inside. So Bn equal to 2 by pi 0 to pi x into pi minus x square into sin nx dx. Okay, we need to go for integration by parts rule, because the first term also contains variables. See, whole term contains variable, that in terms of x. The second term also variable. So we need to go for integration by parts. U rule. U into integration of v, u into v minus double integration of v into u dash plus, because x square is there, one more formula we needed, plus triple integration of v into u double dash. Bn equal to 2 by pi as it is. Apply the product rule. Take on bracket. U, the first term as it is, x pi minus x square into integration of sin nx, that become minus cos nx divided by n minus double integration of v. So two times we need to integrate sin nx. One time integration minus cos nx divided by n. One more term I will integrate, that becomes minus first term integration you got minus sin becomes minus cos nx divided by n. If I integrate one more time, that is two times is there. So one time minus sin nx by one more time minus sin nx divided by n square. So differentiation of x pi minus x square, because u dash is there, so we need to differentiate. So x with respect to x differentiation is 1. So pi will be as it is minus x square differentiation. What is the differentiation of x square? 2x plus, it is not over it, because one more variable x is there. So 3 times we need to integrate. One time integration minus cos nx by n. One more time minus sin nx by n square. One more time cos nx by n cube into differentiation of pi minus 2x. So pi means 0 minus 2 in the interval 0 to pi. Okay. Now before I am substituting the integration limits, I will make a simplification of this equation. Bn equal to 2 by x pi minus x square minus cos nx divided by n. I will not change the first value, I will multiply minus into minus plus sin nx by n square into pi minus 2x multiply minus 2 into cos nx divided by n cube, the interval 0 to pi. Okay. Now we will substitute the integration limits. Before substituting the integration limits, we have some of the values are 0, x into pi I will substitute, pi square minus pi square into cos nx. So if I substitute x equal to pi here, this becomes cos n pi. We have the value for cos n pi. What is the cos n pi mean? Minus 1 power n. Cos n pi means minus 1 power n. Next sin n pi, because I need to substitute in place of x pi. So sin n pi 0. Again 2 into cos n pi. What is cos n pi? Minus 1 power n. So again if I substitute 0, this becomes cos 0. Cos 0 means 1. If I substitute 0, sin 0 become 0. So in the first case sin n pi is also 0, sin 0 is also 0. So directly we can write it as this whole term will be 0. 0 to pi, if I substitute pi here, this becomes sin n pi. Sin n pi means 0. If I substitute 0, sin 0 means 0. directly write the second term is 0, only take the first and the last. Bn equal to 2 by pi bracket x pi minus x square into minus cos nx divided by n minus 2 into cos nx by n cube, the interval 0 to pi. Now I will go for the substitution of the integration limits. Bn equal to 2 by pi bracket, now substitute the value. In place of x we need to substitute, that become pi into pi, pi square minus pi square into minus cos n pi divided by n minus 2 into cos n pi divided by n cube. Okay, this is the first value. Pi I substituted, so it become x pi into pi square minus cos n pi divided by n. If I substitute pi here, minus 2 into cos n pi divided by n cube minus, substituting 0, 0 minus 0, so the whole term becomes 0, 0 into cos 0 divided by n minus 2 into cos 0 divided by n cube, close the bracket. Okay. Now we have some of the terms are minus 1 power n 1. Which are the terms? Cos n pi means we have minus 1 power n and cos 0 means 1. Bn equal to 2 by pi bracket pi. Bn equal to 2 by pi, pi square minus pi square 0. I will cancel pi square minus pi square 0, 0 into this whole term 0 minus 2 into cos n pi. So minus 2 into minus 1 power n divided by n cube, correct, minus 0 into cos 0, so the whole term will be 0 minus whole term 0 into cos 0 means 1, but the 0 is there, so whole term will be 0 minus 2 into minus into minus plus 2 into cos 0. What is cos 0 means? 1. So 1 divided by n cube, close the bracket. Now is there any term we can take outside? N cube is common, throughout we can take outside. Numerator 2 is also common, so 2 if I took outside. 4 divided by pi into n cube, pi into n cube bracket minus of minus 1 power n plus 1, minus of minus 1 power n plus 1, or Bn equal to 4 by pi into n cube 1 minus 1 power n. This is Bn value. Okay. Now sine half range series means only we need to calculate Bn value. You got the value for B. After calculating Bn value, we need to substitute in Fourier expansion, that is f of x equal to summation from n equal to 1 to infinity Bn into sin nx. So the function is nothing but the given question, x into pi minus x, which is equal to summation from n equal to 1 to infinity, Bn means 4 divided by pi into n cube into 1 minus 1 power n into sin nx. This is the Fourier series expansion for sine series in terms of x into pi minus x. Now one more problem, that is obtain the sine half range series or sine series is equal to 1 by 4 minus x in the interval 0 to 1 by 2, x minus 3 by 4 in the interval 1 by 2 to 1. So f of x they are divided into two functions, f1 and f2. Okay, sine half range series only we need to calculate Bn value, that is Bn equal to 2 by L or 2 by pi, because the given question is arbitrary function, so we need to take it as 2 by L. First I will write the formula for sine series. F of x equal to summation from n equal to 1 to infinity Bn into sin n pi x by L. Why we need to take sin n pi x by L here? Because the given question is arbitrary function. So Bn equal to 2 by L 0 to L f of x into sin n pi x by L sin n pi x by L dx. This is a formula for sine series. That is, this is a given function. Okay. First write on the formula for f of x, that is f of x equal to 1 to infinity Bn into sin n pi x by L, where Bn equal to 2 by L 0 to L f of x into sin n pi x by L dx. This is integration. The first thing is, the given question is arbitrary function, so we need to calculate the L value. I will tell you how to calculate the L value. Okay. Now f of x lies in the interval 0 to 1. F of x lies in the interval 0 to 1. So while calculating the L value either in sine series or cosine series, we need to compare 0 to L with the given interval, that is 0 to L which is equal to 0 to 1, where L equal to 1. Either in sine series or cosine series, in arbitrary function, while calculating the L value, we need to compare 0 to L with the given interval, that is 0 to L which is equal to the given interval is 0 to 1. So L equal to 1. The first thing is calculating the L value. Then replace that L value in the Fourier series expansion formula as well as Bn value. Then we need to go for the integration formula. Bn equal to 2 by L 0 to L f of x into sin n pi x by L dx, replacing L value. So Bn equal to 2 by 1 0 to 1 f of x into sin n pi x by 1 dx. F of x is lies between 0 to 1. If the given integration is 0 to 1 by 2, if you got like this, then only 1 by 4 minus x we need to take. But here 0 to 1 they are divided. So both the function, the first function also we need to integrate, the second function also we need to integrate. Separately we need to go for first integration as well as the second integration. Now I will substitute and I will write the formula. N equal to the first term as it is, Bn will be 2 will be as it is. Now 0 to 1 they are divided into two forms, that is 0 to 1 by 2 1 by 4 minus x into sin n pi x. N pi x by 1 means n pi x itself dx plus the second value integration from 1 by 2 to 1 x minus 3 by 4 into sin n pi x dx. This is the second limit, because 0 to 1 they are divided into 0 to 1 by 2, 1 by 2 to 1. So both the function values we need to take 1 by 4 minus x as well as x minus 3 by 4. Now we will go for the integration. UV rule. For both the cases we need to apply integration by parts itself. Integration of UV equal to u into integration of v minus double integration of v into u dash. Only x is there, so up to one time differentiation is sufficient. Now Bn equal to 2, I will take throughout outside, I directly will go for the integration. 1 by 4 minus x as it is, 1 by 4 minus x sin n pi x integration minus cos n pi x divided by n pi. Sin n pi x becomes minus cos n pi x by n pi plus minus one time integration, sin one time if you integrated you got minus cos n pi x by n pi. One more time, minus sin n pi x divided by n pi the whole square, close the bracket. Then differentiation of 1 by 4 minus x, that is 0 minus 1 in the interval 0 to 1 by 2 plus the second integration, because we need to apply the second integration also, x minus 3 by x minus 3 by 4 into integration of sine minus cos n pi x divided by n pi, close the bracket, minus double integration minus sin n pi x divided by n pi the whole square into differentiation of this value x minus 3 by 4 1 minus 0 in the interval 1 by 2 to 1, close whole bracket, because 2 will be throughout outside now. So we need to take like this, 2 into bracket 1 by 4 minus x minus cos n pi x divided by n pi. I will not change the first value. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus sin n pi x divided by n pi the whole square. This is the first term, plus second term x minus 3 by 4 into minus cos n pi x divided by n pi. Minus into minus plus, plus into 1, so plus itself. So plus sin n pi x divided by n pi the whole square, the interval 1 by 2 to 1. Bn equal to 2 will be as it is, bracket, one more. Now 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 into minus cos n pi by 2 whole divided by n pi. I am replacing this x value in terms of pi by 2, so n pi by 2 minus sin of n pi by 2 whole divided by n pi the whole square, bracket, second integration 0. So minus, if I substitute 0, 1 by 4 minus 0. So 1 by 4 minus 0 means 1 by 4 into, if I substitute here, minus cos 0, cos 0 means 1. So minus 1 divided by n pi, minus 1 by n pi. So minus sin 0 means 0. So minus 0. Next, plus 2 into, the 2 I multiplied inside. So 2 into first integration limits. What is the second integration limits? 1 by 2 to 1. First I will substitute 1 now. If I substitute 1 here, 1 minus bracket 1 minus 3 by 4 into minus cos n pi divided by n pi plus sin n pi divided by n pi the whole square, close the bracket, minus the second integration 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 into minus cos n pi by 2 whole divided by n pi. Now 1 by 2 plus sin n pi by 2 whole divided by n pi the whole square, close whole bracket. Okay, for sin n pi, so cos n pi means minus 1 power n and sin n pi means 0. We have these two values, sin n pi means 0, cos n pi means minus 1 power n, sin n pi means 0. So this whole term becomes 0. There is no change in remaining values, we need to keep all the values as it is. Now Bn equal to, now Bn equal to 2 into bracket 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 into minus cos n pi by 2 whole divided by n pi minus sin n pi by 2 whole divided by n pi the whole square, minus into minus plus 1 by 4 into n pi. Just I multiplied. The second term will be 0. I am not taking the second term. Now plus, close the bracket, plus 2 into 1 minus 3 by 4, that is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into minus cos n pi. 1 by 4 into minus 1 by 4 into minus 1 power n, because cos n pi means minus 1 power n. So in this minus I multiply for the constant term, that is minus 1 by 4. The second term will be 0 plus second term. Now I will multiply minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. This is what the value for 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4. 4 will be the LCM. If you want, write down minus 3 by 4. That is 4 will be the LCM. So 2 minus 3, that is minus 1 by 4. So minus 1 by 4 multiply for here. So plus 1 by 4. Plus into minus. Minus 1 by 4 into cos n pi by 2 whole divided by n pi. Plus into minus. Minus sin n pi by 2 whole divided by n pi the whole square. Okay. Now see, is any term cancels. 2 bn as it is 1 by 4 into cos n pi by 2 whole divided by n pi. This is first value. Minus sin n pi by 2 divided by n pi the whole square plus 1 by 4 n pi plus minus 1 by 4 into minus 1 power n plus minus 1 by 4 into cos n pi by 2 divided by n pi minus sin n pi by 2 divided by n pi the whole square. So this 2 is then throughout I took outside. So 2 will be outside. So 1 by 4 into cos minus into minus plus. So cos n pi by 2 divided by n pi minus. The value cancels here. 1 by 4 into cos n pi by 2 minus cos n pi by 2. 1 by 4 into cos n pi by 2 cancels. So this value and this value, that becomes, so bn equal to 2 into minus 2 into sin n pi by 2 n pi the whole square plus 1 by 4 n pi minus 1 by 4 pi. So I will multiply 2 inside. So 2 divided by 4 n pi minus 2 divided by 4 n pi into minus 1 power n. So bn equal to minus 4 into sin n pi by 2 whole divided by n pi the whole square plus 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 2 n pi ones are 2s are minus 1 by 2 into n pi minus 1 power. Now bn equal to, now I will combine these two values. Which are the values you can take outside? 1 by 2 n pi take outside. So remains what? 1 minus 1. And these two values, that is 1 by 2 n pi outside 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 4 into sin n pi by 2 whole divided by n pi the whole square. This is the value for bn. Okay. Now we need to replace this value bn value in the Fourier. F of x equal to summation from n equal to 1 to infinity an into summation n equal to 1 to infinity bn into sin n pi x by l. Just replace bn value from this one, that is f of x equal to summation from n equal to 1 to infinity bn means 1 by 2 n pi bracket 1 minus 1 power n minus 4 into sin n pi by 2 whole divided by n pi the whole square bracket into pi by x divided by L. L is nothing but 1 divided by 1. Okay. This is the Fourier series expansion for the two values 1 by 4 minus x as well as x minus 3 by 4. The sign series they are mentioned. So calculating the bn value, then simplifying after you get the bn value, substitute in the Fourier series expansion. Okay.